Hi guys, we have something that I swore I wasn't going to do. Well, I'm going to do it. Then we have somebody that says, oh, that's okay, you don't want to do it, I'll take care of it. You can do it. We're opening up something that I already opened up one of their little limited edition boxes last month, I believe it was, or maybe it was the month before, I can't remember. But, you know, I didn't want to do another one of them. And you've probably already seen this before, but that's okay. I'm going to show it to you anyways. We have the Sephora Play Luxe. You see that they have a skin food one that's coming out, or skin food or hair food or something that they're coming out with, or maybe they already did. There's not enough good stuff in these packages to spend that kind of money. That's why I don't do it. We have this little bag here, which I'll go ahead and put this in the giveaways. One person per bag. And if you haven't seen it, it looks like this. It's got some pockets up here. You can probably stick your brushes and stuff in. This way when you fold it over, you can tie it around here somehow. I'm not sure, but somebody out there probably would really love to have this. It is a nice pinky color. I just wasn't going to get this one, and unfortunately, here I am. Alright. We have the Atelier cologne, and it's a cologne. Okay. I need to find out what the notes are in this. I don't see them. Gives all the other information except for the notes in it. But it looks like this. I will open this up, but I don't think I'm going to spray it because somebody out there might love this stuff. And it's a nice size. In the olden days, I just basically did this, and you can understand how tall things were, how big they were by my pinky. Well, there you go. Yeah, that's definitely not for me. I can kind of smell it through there. It's more of a... I think there's a little bit of floral and musk. It might be like a woodsy smell, like a sandalwood or something in there too. Yeah, it's not for me. I'm picky on perfumes. I know what ones are going to smell alright on me and the other ones that won't. Oh, I got enough red lipsticks right now that I need to be going through. And this is the YSL. And it's a matte stain. What color are you? I know you're red, but... I am not sure, because the words are extremely small. You can't even see the sticker on there, but there is a clear sticker on there with tiny, tiny words. And it's just a little guy. There we go with the pinky. And you're only getting about a half a pinky worth of stuff. I mean, these little tubes right here do last a while unless it's your go-to, and then they don't last that long, but I've got enough of these reds, and that is a crazy red. I will put that in the giveaway. Somebody else can enjoy it. I almost have my reds down where they need to be. We have Ooh, okay. I can handle this. SK2 R.N.A. Power Radical New Age. What are you? Avoid contact with eyes. A lot of things avoiding contact with eyes. It's a moisturizing cream. I'll use this. Sorry guys. SK2 has got some really, really good products to them, at least so far the ones I've tried. have agreed perfectly with my skin. So I will go ahead and continue to use that. And we have La Mer, the eye concentrate. Just a little guy. I mean, what was this? Like, I wonder if she's got a slip in there. What was it, like $20, $25 for this? And we have Eyes to Kill Classico Length and Volume Mascara, Giorgio Armani. Alright, well, I'll try this. I can deal with having another mascara, at least a little travel size one. A lot of my mascaras are drying out, so this is a good time to start opening a couple at a time. So I'll give that a try. Okay, I'll keep this till. I'm sorry, guys. We've got like, well, I said I was going to use that. I got 3 in my pile so far. 2 in the giveaway plus a bag. There is a lot more other giveaway stuff over there. This is the Guerlain Paris. And it is the Radiance Concentrate with Pure Gold Makeup Base. Isn't this that, like that primer stuff? Because if it is, the primer doesn't do well on just my skin. But if you exfoliate your lips really well, and it is it, oh sweet. Exfoliate your lips really well, and use this to prime your lips for like the next couple days before you put on lipstick or anything, and your lips become like super soft, super perfect. So, yes, it's an expensive item to use just to prime my lips, but it's here. I'm going to use it that way. And of course, there are the Play Luxe cards. Is there anything I should know? Beauty Insider plus 50 bonus points. Treat yourself. Bring this Play Pass to Sephora or I know a lot of people are okay with not having the points on there, but I really would like it. They need to make it an option if you want to do that. Because the closest Sephora to me that we found out about is a place where a lot of people keep getting shot, killed, left on the side of the road to die, whatever. I'm not going there. And the other one is 3 hours away. One's an hour away and a lot of killing, or a 3-hour drive and possibly have to stay the night in a motel because I'm gonna wear myself out walking around that mall. Neither one's happening. But they give you all this information on, you know, all the products you have in this bag. Maybe this'll. That Altair, whatever it is, cologne, Iris Rebel. It's fresh floral blends, adds with a dash of flair of notes of orange flower, absolute, black pepper, and white musk accordion. What? I can't see at the moment. My eyes just went, got all fuzzy. Plus Moroccan iris that blooms in the touch of your skin as it touches your skin. Prepare to be stopped and sniffed. I am definitely not wearing that. I do not want people to stop me just so they can sniff me, because that would get really weird. Like, oh, I mean, what would you do if somebody stopped and was like, somebody would be walking away with a black eye. And it sure wouldn't be me. Because what in the world? Is there any other little weird comment things on here? Okay. Nope, it looks like so far the perfume one was the best. Somebody stop and sniff me and see what happens, because you know what? My size 8.5 might end up in their... Yeah. Alright, that is all that was in there. What else did she get me? Oh dear Lord. There is a thingamabobber here. Of course, there's no prices. What did she get me? Oh my god. I'm not even sure I want to go through all that. Oh, that's not the right one. I told her that I was hoping I was getting into BoxyCharm. You know when they were giving out the Tarte setting sprays, or you ended up with the palette? I ended up with the palette, and I kept talking about the setting spray, so she got me a setting spray. Tarte Rainforest of the Sea setting spray. I've actually not tried this one, so I'm not completely upset. This is a 4-in-1 setting mist. I'll give her a try. Most of my makeup I put on today was from Tarte. What is this, like a Tarte day? Because we have the Tarte Skincare High Performance Naturals Beauty Bounce Back. This is the Deep Dive Makeup Remover Gel Cleanser, and another lights, camera, and lashes. I have both of these already, but I do like both of them, and I've only got one of each one of them sitting in my drawers, so I'm going to keep hold of that. Alright, we have a couple perfumes here. We have Daisy by Marc Jacobs. I think I've smelled this before, and I was upset. Because I love daisies, and that's all I could think of. I was like, ooh, that's got to smell like it. I don't know. I'll have my husband sniff that. Actually, that's going to make me sneeze. False alarm. And we have the Kat Von D Center. I have like 2 of these center ones. It would be nice if they would... I should go buy the Saint one, because I like to mix both of them, or depend on what I'm doing with the day. And we've got a bunch of crap in a bag. We have from Marc Jacobs Shameless Foundation. I've got a whole bunch of these foundation samples down there that I need to go through and find more foundations. If my face looks extremely white in some of my videos, is because I have found foundations in my drawers that apparently would have been perfect in the wintertime. Not so much now. Anybody try that Marc Jacobs Shameless yet? If you have, what'd you think? I want to know this stuff. We have the original Beauty Blender. One of those, where they cut it in half, and I've got one of those and I haven't used it yet. And we have Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream with time release hydro patches. Okay. 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 Is this with foundations? Oh dear Lord. Well, we got Hourglass. We got Makeup Forever. We got Tarte Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Foundation. Isn't that what I was wearing today? Oh, that's the Hybrid Gel Foundation I'm wearing. Okay. See? I am wearing that foundation today. And it's a Tarte. So we got that. We've got Estee Lauder. I wonder how she got all these foundations. Oh my gosh. I'm going to sneeze, so I need to hurry through this. Cover FX. Oh, there's sample over here, sample over here. Huh. Yep, I'm about to sneeze. Lancome. And the last one is Kat Von D Lock-It. Is this a concealer? Because I didn't do so well with the concealer. No, it's a foundation. Alright, that is all I have in my box. I gotta hurry up 'cause I'm gonna sneeze. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Go down to the description. I will have this stuff linked below if you would like to purchase it. And I will see you guys soon. There is a subscribe giveaway going on down below. Just so you know.